Hi, I'm Dan with Carl's Golfland. Welcome to Carlsbad, California. We're here at the Kingdom with TaylorMade Golf, here to check out some of the 2024 product lineup. Let's go check it out. All right, we're here at the Kingdom with Matt Bovey, Director of Product Creation for Irons.
So, new for 24, the QI iron. This is going to be a core game improvement iron, meaning it's going to be the longest and most forgiving iron that TaylorMade offers. Tons of technology packed in here. One of the things that we really focused on for QI iron was this concept of straight distance. There's a lot of things that happen with the face at the point of impact, and when you have a flexible, fast-faced iron, really, you need to control how the face rebounds to make sure that that iron stays straight and accurate throughout the entire set. That works in combination with a couple other key technologies like our speed pocket, etc., to make these irons more forgiving than the previous model. And there's just a lot built into these for anyone looking for a little bit of extra help so they can hit better shots more often.
What separates the QI iron from previous generation TaylorMade product? Let's speak to maybe the Stealth iron.
A couple key differences between QI and Stealth. Now, a lot of players aren't even in something as recent as a Stealth, but it's a good comparison. So when you think about what's in your bag, and if it's a couple generations older, those improvements are going to be even that much greater. But when you compare it to Stealth iron, there's a couple key technologies here that are now actually talking to each other throughout the product development cycle. So our team of engineers has developed a new simulation package that allows our face design to now talk with the speed pocket and the mass distribution in the head throughout the product development. Because quite frankly, you don't hit your 4-iron the same as you hit a 7-iron, the same as you hit a wedge.
Of course.
And every iron should be individually designed if you're going to maximize the performance in that product, which is what is in QI iron now. So there's a brand new face technology. Every iron's got a different face for that specific, again, performance goal. It also has different mass distribution. It's got the flighted CG, which is where your lowest CG is in the longest iron, to help you launch the ball higher more easily in the clubs where that's difficult to do. And then we let that CG strategically move up higher in the set as you work into the short irons, because we want to start to flight the ball, add in a little bit more spin, give you more control, more consistency when you're looking to attack pins and hold greens. So there's a lot there. 14% larger sweet spot as well, which means that you're going to get more consistent numbers without having to change anything about your game, naturally capturing more shots. Incredible feel. The looks on this also, in comparison to Stealth, beautiful, chrome plated. There's just so much to talk about when it comes to this from a shaping perspective. There's new sole geometries. Again, each one individually designed to help you hit the ball a little bit higher in the long irons, and then give you a little more versatility around the greens and the short irons.
Perfect.
So, a lot packed in there, but
yeah, definitely. All right, how do you go about selecting what stock options are going to be offered in the TaylorMade iron? With all the different manufacturers now in shafts out there, there's more than ever before, right? So how do you guys narrow it down to the ones that you want to offer as stock options?
Yeah, that's a great question. So when it comes to stock products, we have to go with something that's going to fit a wide array of players, and we also have an understanding of who the kind of off-the-shelf golfer usually is. So we try to tailor the components to that type of player, knowing that anybody that's maybe ready to take that next step and needs something a bit more specific is going to go in to get custom fit. So when it comes to shafts, for example, and game improvement iron product, we typically want something that's going to be a little lighter weight, a little bit higher launching, and a little bit higher spinning if we can. And it's going to depend on the model. So there's two ways to get straight distance with the QI iron. We have QI, we also have the QI HL, which is designed to be higher launching and lighter weight. It's got a lighter club head, but it also has a lighter shaft, lighter grip. So in that case, it's designed for players that are looking for a little extra launch or maybe have a slower swing speed. So in that case, we want lighter components to promote more club head speed, help driving launch and carry distance.
Sure. All right, you mentioned that each head is individually optimized and designed. Can you speak on that a little bit?
Yeah, sure. So new for the QI iron is this individual head optimization concept. That debuted in the all-new P790 that launched in this past fall. We're now extending that into our core game improvement family, and really what that means is taking a look at that individual head's needs and performance targets for this player. So there's a brand new face design, and what we really wanted to do was make sure that we were straight throughout the entire set, meaning we're giving players accuracy and consistency in a way that no other competitor OEM can. And if you actually look at the player test results, you go through and you do player testing on the TaylorMade irons versus the competitive spectrum, what you'll see is that the game improvement irons from like competitors all have the tendency to miss to the right. Okay. So When that happens at the point of impact, the heel wants to rebound faster than the toe, which kicks the face this way and puts cut spin on the golf ball. So what we've done is we've thinned out the heel to make it more flexible. We've also thickened up the toe a little bit to be able to basically control how that rebounds and make sure that we are straight all the way through the bag. And we're the only company that does that because we have the patented technology to control that face flexibility from heel to toe.
Perfect.